Hi, and welcome to your daily personal development routine. In this video, you will learn more about self-care. Today, we're diving into mindfulness techniques for beginners that can truly transform your self-care routine. Let's get started. The first technique is deep breathing. Take a moment to close your eyes and inhale deeply through your nose, letting your belly expand. Hold for a few seconds and exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this for a minute. You'll find that it calms your nervous system and brings you into the present moment. Next up is body scan meditation. Find a comfortable position and start at your toes. Gradually move your attention up your body, noticing any tension or discomfort. Just observe without judgment. This practice helps you reconnect with your body and clear your mind. Now let's talk about nature walks. Step outside for a stroll, focusing on the sights, sounds, and smells around you. Feel the earth beneath your feet and breathe in the fresh air. This technique not only centers you, but also boosts your mood and energy levels. Another powerful tool is gratitude journaling. At the end of your day, write down 3 things you're grateful for. Reflect on the positive moments, no matter how small. This practice shifts your mindset and enhances your overall well-being. Lastly, we have mindful eating. Take your time with each bite of food. Really taste what you're eating and pay attention to your body's hunger signals. This practice encourages healthier choices and fosters a deeper connection with your meals. Start small and allow these techniques to enrich your self-care journey.